Hello, it's Danielle. I just got my tonsils out a week ago, and I'm gonna try to sing. La Dispute. This should be fun, right, Alyssa?
Yeah, I'm making tea.
My friend's making tea like a English faggot.
You wanted some too.
I know I want some because I'm an English faggot too. Can I show them your English faggot face?
No.
Okay. No, don't lock your fucking phone.
Yeah, she's doing it really bad. She's doing it on her phone.
An iPod's actually really good for making videos. Not my phone. Think I saw you in my sleep, darling. Think I saw you in my dreams. You were stretching out the seams. We broken promise that your body couldn't keep. I saw you in my sleep. Oh, I think I saw you in my sleep, darling. I think I saw you in my dreams. You were stretching out the seams on every promise that your body couldn't keep. I think I saw you in my sleep. I saw you open. Oh. No, I thought I heard the door open, but I only heard it close. But I heard the plane crashing. Now I think about his passion snapping. It's me confronting my fear. Went up with the bottle, went down with the beer. And I think you ought to stay away from here. There are ghosts in the walls, and they crawl in your head through your ear. I think I saw you in my sleep, lover. I think I saw you in my dreams. You were stitching up the seams on every bone that your body couldn't keep. I think I saw you in my sleep. Next song. I know someday you'll be sleeping, darling, likely dreaming of the pain. Oh, you know you mean the street light humming, softly breathing out your name. Even when you sit silently, darling, scars will remain. And from each other, darling, let them wash off in the rain. When you river, oh no, let the water not complain. Even with the distance slowly wearing out your name. Your lines still catch the light the right way, and our hearts still beat the same. And our hearts still beat the same. Hey babe, it's me singing. You introduced me to that song, and I like singing that to you a lot. I'm actually going to sing another one now. Let me just get it up on YouTube. There we go. No, go away, ads. Hey, for tonight, if you want to, I can show you what my dreams are made of. As I'm dreaming of your face, it's been away for a long time, such a long time, and I miss you there. Can't imagine being anywhere else. I can't imagine being anywhere else but here. How the hell did you ever pick me? Honestly, 'cause I can sing you a song. Don't think words could express your beauty. You're singing to me, how the hell we end up like this? You bring out the beast in me. Fell in love from the moment we kissed. Since then we've been history. They say love is forever. You forever is all that I need. Please stay. I still think some people broken. I swear that I will never leave. Please know that you are. Oh, my dreams are made of. Can possibly. Not yet, not yet. When I dream of you. Imagine being anywhere else. What? Forever is all that I need. Please stay as long as you need. Can't promise that things won't be broken. I swear that I will never leave. Please stay forever with me. Right there we are. It's reason to stay. As long as though you're with me, I know I'll be okay. When I say, as long as though you're with me, I know I'll be okay. Say that love is forever, your forever is all that I need. Please stay as long as you need. You promise that things won't be broken. I swear that I will never leave. Please stay forever with me. And love is forever. Your forever is all that I need. Please stay long as you need. Promise that things won't be broken. I swear that I will never leave. Please stay forever with me. That's me and my boyfriend's song, of course.
Where the hell is the sugar? Ooh.
You should check out my boyfriend's page on SoundCloud and on YouTube. Exiled Vanity. EXILED He's really good at singing, but he only currently has raps on both of those, so both really good though. Like, I'm in love with both of them. It's amazing. But, yeah.